Today, I will show you how to let Canva's AI create a full presentation for you. From the structure to the design, follow these simple steps, and you will have a ready-to-edit slide deck in minutes. Before diving in, please note that this feature is only available to pro-paid users. First, sign in to Canva on the web. On the homepage, click this presentation button. Next, write a clear prompt for the AI. Be specific about what you want. For example, say, create an 8-slide presentation about the benefits of remote work for small businesses in a professional minimalist style. That is much better than just saying a remote work presentation. Then, click Generate Design. It will take some time. The AI will give you the presentation. Click it, and it will show all slides. Preview them, and add specific slides only. Or click Apply All Pages and add it to the design. Read every bit of text and make sure it sounds like you. Add your own data and change any wording that feels off. If you want help rewriting a sentence, use Magic Write inside the text editor to rewrite or shorten the text for you. You can also add page transitions and element animations from the Animate tab to make the presentation more dynamic. When your slides are ready, choose how to share them. That is all there is to it. Let the AI create the first draft, then spend a little time editing and adding your own facts, so the slides match your voice. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.